welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Today we'll be making yam porridge. By the way, if this is your first time stopping by, hi, my name is Success aka Saucy Spicy, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please do not make this your last time on this channel. Click on the like button, hit a notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video, and make sure you subscribe before you leave. And I have my ingredients. My ingredients are here. We are going to prep, then we start the cooking. Guys, I'm slicing my scotched bonnet. I have 4 seeds of scotched bonnet and 4 seeds of fresh tomatoes. So after slicing, I'm mincing the scotched bonnet. So I'm using this quantity of scotched bonnet, not too much, because the yam is not really that much.
You can put 100 grams on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo.
Slicing my ugu leaf, so you can add any leaf of your choice, any vegetable of your choice.
Out in the rim, I know. Put down forehead, they say I'm selfish. Out in the rain once more. Wash out my way, my feelings dirty. I'm just craving for
somebody's babe, oh no.
I can't get that
love for myself.
Say everybody's fine, but they can't be good. Even if they wanted to do, even if they try as they envy you. But you belong to someone, and I'm singing. I'm just craving for somebody.
I'm done prepping, and I have my smoked fish well deboned, cow skin washed, sliced ugu leaf, sliced fresh tomatoes, onion, and scotched bonnet with palm oil. So I'm just going to add in my palm oil. My pot is hot. Adding in my onions, giving it a stir, and now I'm just going to pour in my scotched bonnet, then go in with my fresh tomatoes, then adding in my properly washed peeled yam. Adding my protein, which is the cow skin and smoked fish. Adding in my salt, seasoning cube. Giving it a quick stir, and then add water. This quantity of water I'm adding will do for the cooking of the yam. Yeah, just this quantity. Cover, and then come back after 20 minutes. So this is after 20 minutes, and our yam is well cooked. Look at how yummy it's looking. I'm just going to put in my sliced ugu leaf. You guys, our food is set. Put it down. That's all. If you have not subscribed, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, drop a comment, and remember to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Bye. See you in my next one.
Say everybody's fine, but they can't be good. Even if they wanted to do, even if they try as they envy you. you belong to someone, and I'm singing, I'm just craving for somebody's baby.